What is going on, everybody? Back in the shop today. Today we're gonna fix a snowdogg plow controller that looks like this. So if your controller does this, you press up and it sticks up and does not return, this is gonna fix your problem. What you're gonna need is this part. I'll put the part number on the screen. Hopefully you guys can read that. It is a keypad. And this is what has the spring for the return. Another thing you guys are gonna need is just a Phillips screwdriver. So what we're gonna do is take out the 2 Phillips screws on the side of the controller. The controller slides apart. Take the faceplate off. Remove the touchpad. And if you look, the touchpad cracks, and that's what makes it not return. Discard the old touchpad. This is the new one. Insert the touchpad into the control board, making sure that it lines up with the locking tabs. Reinstall your faceplate, and this slides into the controller. There's little grooves that hold the faceplate. Slide it back in. Slide the other half of the controller over. Reinstall your Phillips screws. And it works like new. So if you guys thought this video was helpful and it helped you, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps my channel. If you liked it, subscribe if you feel like it. I'll catch you on the next one.